Are you getting sick of this bloodbath yet? My name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and it's Monday, October 13th, 2014. Man, market's taking a nasty little dive today. Everybody's down more than 1%, but the small caps. Now, what's interesting here, and I want you guys to pay special attention to this, is small caps was only down 0.4%, which by itself is a pretty good down day. However, not in comparison to the S&P being down 1.7%, 1.4% on the Dow, NASDAQ down 1.5%. So those are considered, small caps considered more risky than the others. Those doing the best. Furthermore, the banks up 0.72%. So this is telling me we have a pretty good chance of a bullish day commencing tomorrow. Something to be watching for. VIX though spiking higher, more than 16%. Now knocking at the door about 25. Gang, last time it's been a while since we've seen 25 on the VIX. That's a very, very high number. And you see precious metals up. You have crude oil down 0.6%, and you have the US dollar down 0.6%. And here we are taking a look here at the S&P 500, just down, 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 down. Now, Thursday, we had a nasty little drop. Friday, we busted resistance. And Monday, we just come crashing down. Market's down 223 points. The S&P dropped down below 1900 right here, acted as support for a while, and then just gave it up and just crashed. Furthermore, we have a trend line coming up here. We pierced that also. It's just nothing is going to stop this ball from dropping. Bad news for the markets. Take a look here at the weekly chart. Down below the 50-week moving average and below an area that should have acted as support because it was resistance here. Support is down below it. Trend line coming up should be support, but we'll see. On the monthly chart, this is a line chart. We have support. We're really close to this support right now. Getting close to a major support level. Now the Russells told you that we are not down as much, and you'll see because we have a huge support line here. And if I were to bring in some more information, you'll see it. Big support back here. You can draw it on your chart. This is 2011, October 2011. And then right here, November 2012. So these fall months. And then where we're at right now, 2014, October, and you'll see that we're approaching that huge area of support. Furthermore, this 10,043 coming across, you'll see that with support here, broken resistance, busted resistance, then support. That's an area to be watching. Big time support here. So I see buyers coming into this level. If you look at a weekly chart, let me get to a weekly chart on the Russells. We're hanging out here at the 100-week moving average. It'd be interesting to see if we can get a bounce. I'm going to bring over right here support level and going right here also. So it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. Here's the monthly chart. Monthly chart's below a big time trend line. Man, big time. It broke it, and below the 20-month moving average. A lot of downside potential here. It'd be interesting. Now, something I want to show you on the VIX weekly chart. Remember how I said every time we get to the weekly 200-week moving average, the markets go bullish. Markets go bullish. This big red line's my 200-week. Markets go bullish. Here markets started to go bullish, and then big time bears, boom, to the upside. Huge rally. Again, on a weekly chart, let me see, the last time we saw fear this high puts us back to 2012, the first few months of 2012. I mean, the last time we even seen that area was, it looks like, well, June 2012. Wow. And we're here now. Big time problems here in the markets. Again, gang, we were warning about this for a while. The markets were just broken. On a daily chart, we were showing, when we started dropping, and we just said, be careful, be hedged. I'm hedged. However, I unloaded a lot of my hedge at the end of today. Still have a little hedge going. I don't have very many stocks left with this drop. And looking for a nice bounce. We'll see if that happens. Have a mentorship coming in. I'd love to meet you in person. If you'd like to join us for a mentorship program, I'll flip for your airfare as long as it's $500 or cheaper. Come on out, be with us, hang out for 3 days. Just think about hanging out with me and, Mark the Meerkat too, for 3 solid days of us pouring our wealth of information into you. And only good things can happen from that. So look forward to getting you more information here. Stick around for the next message that will give you all the information. November 15th, 16th, and 17th. There in Las Vegas, November 15th, 16th, and 17th. Catch you later. This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Elizon, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. It's well worth taking this class.
Yeah. It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you your toolkit so you can use it is really invaluable.